Alam mo, Kuya Gabi, Papa Gabi, eto nga batang ito na talaga sobrang hinangaan ko. Nakikita ko ang sarili ko sa kanya nung ako'y nagsisimula.
Ang galing nila. Sobrang galing.
Yes.
Miski ako pinanonood ko sila.
Kahit kami ay binagyo ng intriga nung araw, kinukumpara kami, hindi po maiiwasan ito. But boss,
pareho kayong magaling.
Yes. And of course, basta kapamilya artist, talaga naman pong, talaga kami po ay minamahal ng buong mundo.
Eto na, malapit na!
From Pinoy Big Brother! Ang hinangaan ng buong mundo, please welcome!
Mel Lasso!
Jason Francisco!
You're just so good to me. Just let me know that it's real.
You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you.
I
love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't bring me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Hey!
You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
At long last, love has arrived, and now thank God all my life. You're just too good to be true. Hey! I can't take my eyes off you.
Magandang hapon po sa mga kababayan natin na taga-Pilipinas dito sa London. Atol! Dito na kami!
Sino ang taga-dinsan dito? Taga-Mindanao? Agoroy, marami!
Sino ang taga-Mindoro?